Hey guys, I am back with another little small order. So Pen Boutique, I want to say it was the day after Christmas or something, or it might have been New Year's Eve. Anyway, it was around the holiday. They had a mystery uh, pen, not a mystery box. Because I got one of their mystery boxes one time and I wasn't really impressed. And so I thought long and hard about whether or not I was going to get this. I tried to see some older mystery pens and I couldn't find anything on YouTube. Anyway, long story short, I did go ahead and go for it because I wasn't really impressed with the mystery box. Now, it it was a cumulative total of way more than what I paid for it, but in my opinion, it was a lot of junk. I mean, it was I don't know, lower value. It was quite a few of lower value stuff. So anyway, this pen is supposed to be more than $125, and I paid $49 for it. I think that was including shipping. Um, I can't be sure. I can't remember. Um, and so I'm thinking, I hope, I was thinking, well, what would they put in here? Um, I'm thinking it's probably a Conklin or maybe a Monteverde, which would be fine with me. But I kind of hope it's not like a Cross, which I know that's a very well-known brand and all of that. But it's just not my style. But I do have one, and I think I got it from a mystery box. But anyway, we will check and see what this is. Or Schaefer. Schaefer is okay. I got like two, maybe three of those, and they work great. Like even when I don't use them for a while, like a couple of weeks or so, I pick them up and they get right to work. But it's just not my style. But anyway, we will see what we do have. Alrighty. Hoping for the best. Okay. Okay. So we do have a Schaefer. Let's see. Let's see. It's more than just one pen because I thought it was just going to be one pen because it said mystery pen, not a mystery box. So let's see. Okay, and they give you candy too. So I'm used to that from Goulet pens. All right, let's see what we have here. We have that my order was packed by LL. Let's see how good a job you did, LL. And then we got a little sticker. Isn't that cute? Like stickers. And then let's see. Oh, a return policy. All right. So we got a Schaefer, but this one looks nice. It looks like it's more my style, So let's see. Let's take a look at this. I don't know how much this costs, but this looks like it's probably one of those $15 pens. Not sure, but anyway, I'll look that up later. Schaefer 100. And then, not sure what this is. I mean, it was packaged with that. And I can't see that writing on there. But there's something on, I assume it's a Schaefer. Because you usually know them by that little white dot. But anyway, let's see. This looks like a ballpoint pen or something. Yeah. Okay. Not bad. And push comes to shove, I can give this to my dad. Oh, this is a Parker. Okay, that's nice. It's not something that I'm not excited about Parker's, but you know, everybody knows Parker is a you know, a long-term brand, so I'm sure this is a very nice pen. All right, and then like I said, we got a Schaefer 100. I'm not gonna open that. I'll open that later. I'm not gonna put you through that. And then, okay, the last time they had a Pelican in there, and it was a I think it was a rollerball pen, so I'm not gonna get excited. I'm just gonna put it down, and we're gonna look at this. Because I did get excited when I saw the Pelican box, and it was just a regular, like I said, a rollerball pen. All right, and then we got, I guess you do ink swatches with this, but that's pretty. I don't know what I did with my last one. And then blot the card. That's pretty. They didn't give me any ink. All right, and then we have, oh, look at that. The two brands I said, Cross and Schaefer. All right, but it says a ballpoint pen. That's fine. Okay, not terrible, you know. And then let's see what we got here. All right. Oh, the same thing. Got the same pen. So, okay. So I only paid $49 for this. It's okay. I'm not doing this again. I'm sure when you look these up, they do add up to over $125. I'm pretty sure. See, I went for it because it said pen, not box. Okay. But anyway, it's fine. I'm not happy, but I'm not pissed. So, but I thought that I would share that with you guys. I have the exact same pen. And it's fine. It's a nice, I believe it's a rollerball. It's nice. It writes nice. But, yeah, it's not what I wanted. But anyway, that's, you know, you take chances when you buy something mystery, right? But I will talk to you guys later. That's all I had to share today. Oh, I did go to Office Depot and I picked this up. Like, I really didn't need one, but I thought that this was neat. And it comes with some stickers in the front, and you got, I just love tulle anyway. And then you got some sticky notes. And it's just a nice little planner. So, and it was half price. It was $7. I thought it was an 18-month planner, but it looks like it's just a 12-month, and it started last year. But I didn't look really hard. Let's see. And but it's nice, and you know, you can get refills. And yeah, 22 to 23. And let's see, you got some at the front, and then you go into your monthlies. And I like having horizontal lines that I can write on. And I really like tulle anyway. All right, that's all I had to talk to you about today. I'll see y'all later. Bye.